Welcome to English Conversation Hub. In today's conversation, two friends sit down to talk about something many of us feel, but rarely say out loud, feeling lost in life. One of them is unsure about the future, and the other offers some heartfelt advice. Watch, listen, and shadow this conversation to improve your English fluency and connect with real-life emotions and expressions. And I don't know what I'm doing with my life, man. Everyone seems to have it figured out, and I'm just stuck. Hey, take a deep breath. It's okay to feel like that. You're not alone. I wake up every day feeling like I'm wasting time. I don't have a clear goal, no passion, just confusion. Hmm, it's tough, I get that. But you don't have to have all the answers right now. Life isn't a race. Easy for others to say. My friends are getting jobs, promotions, going abroad, and I'm here wondering what I even want. Comparison kills peace, bro. You're on your own journey. Just because your path is different doesn't mean it's wrong. But how do I even start? I don't know what I like, what I'm good at. I feel like I'm floating. Try this. Start small. Explore. Take one step at a time. Do something new, even if it's small. A course, a hobby, volunteering, anything. And what if I still don't figure it out? Then you keep walking. The answers don't come all at once. They come when you show up for yourself every day. Sometimes I feel like a failure. You're not. Feeling lost doesn't mean you're failing. It means you're growing. You're searching. That takes courage. Thanks. I guess I just needed someone to remind me of that. Always, man. I'm here for you. And hey, just because the road is unclear doesn't mean it's not leading somewhere great. Yeah, maybe I just need to keep moving and trust the process. Exactly. And while you're figuring it out, remember, you're doing better than you think. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more engaging conversations. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay tuned and take care.